the yoga of the Yoga Sutras course, we will explore much more on these topics. Each session of the course, there will be a certain theme. For example, one of the session will be on Kriya Yoga, the yoga of action. One session will be, in fact, multiple sessions will be on Ashtanga Yoga, where we examine the 8 limbs of yoga. Another session will be on the definition of yoga, according to Patanjali, and comparing and contrasting with the definitions given by other great yogis and the definitions given in the Bhagavad Gita and so forth. So this is the plan for the course, and if this interests you, I'd highly encourage you to join us for the course. We'd love to have you with us.